Hi.
Hey, Mike and Laura here. Match made in heaven. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you are getting any help from our videos. We enjoy producing them and uploading them.
And sometimes we tear things up just so we can show you how to fix them.
Yeah, so we got a video on how to drill a hole in a clawfoot tub.
We were successful.
Very, very successful video.
Lots of tears.
But guess what? When you drill, make sure and look at your fixtures to make sure you need to drill a hole.
Exactly.
Double check, triple check. Don't go on memory. Oh, last time we checked that 6 months ago, we needed to drill a hole. Recheck. But now we've got this video for how to patch a hole in a clawfoot tub. So, Laura, what did we use today?
We used the JB Weld water weld to patch the hole. Hopefully it works. We'll do another video after we plumb the bathtub to see if it works or not.
Yeah, and we're going to know 15 minutes it sets up, and about an hour we'll be able to drill, sand, etc. So we'll catch that when we do it.
And also, if you use this stuff, make sure you read all the instructions first.
Yes.
I used my bare hands, and it says on here, absolutely do not do that. I did it anyway. I didn't know.
Your fingers still on?
I still have fingers, and it all came off with a lot of scrubbing.
May cause a
irritation.
Allergy, irritation. Don't get it near your eyes. Read the instructions to how to clean up and what not to do.
Yes.
We focused on preparation only instructions.
Yes.
So I hope this helps, though, if you need to repair like we've done in our clawfoot tub.
Yes.
Have a great day.
Bye.
All right, she is kneading the epoxy water weld together.
It's like
Step
Play-Doh.
number 1, till it's a consistent color, and that mixes the outer and the inner together. And then we're going to try to put this back in the hole and weld it together. You ready?
I think so. I think so.
I think what you just did, wrap it around it
It's hot.
and then put it in there, would be good. And then you could do a little piece for the hole.